evidence in the murder allegations against Luigi Mangione, putting his fate in question. His defense team arguing for the case in which Mangione is accused of murdering a healthcare CEO be dismissed.
Yeah, they're saying shoddy police work actually violated his constitutional rights. Pix 11's Anthony DiLorenzo takes us through this lengthy motion and has a breakdown, including some new images, actually, of the arrest. Anthony.
Corey, Shirley, good evening. The two arguments that stand out from all of this stem from Luigi's arrest in Pennsylvania. His defense team calling for a judge to actually throw out any statements made to police, as well as all evidence found inside of his backpack, arguing that cops broke the law by not immediately reading him his rights and failing to obtain a search warrant before finding that gun. These are never-before-seen images from the now infamous McDonald's arrest of Luigi Mangione in Altoona, Pennsylvania last December.
Me and my partner and I recognized him immediately.
He had asked the suspect if he had been in New York City recently.
In a court filing, defense counsel seizing on those remarks and the actions of Altoona police. The 57-page motion asking a state judge to suppress statements Mangione made to law enforcement between December 9th and December 19th, 2024. His attorney, Karen Agnifilo, saying after reviewing body-worn camera footage provided by prosecutors, it had been nearly 20 minutes after law enforcement first approached Mr. Mangione, prevented him from leaving, and asked him numerous interrogation questions. They finally read him his Miranda warnings.
The first thing you do is read them their rights.
Veteran New York City defense attorney Ron Kuby says the Altoona police officer on the job for 6 months made a potentially devastating rookie mistake.
It's entirely possible that Mr. Mangione's statements will not be admitted into evidence, and it's somewhat possible that the evidence taken from his backpack will also be excluded.
The defense court motion also asked the judge to toss all evidence recovered from Mangione's backpack. That evidence found inside includes the alleged murder weapon, the silencer, and the manifesto. Attorney Agnifilo writing, body camera footage reveals another officer commented that at this point, we probably need a search warrant for it.
They can still prosecute the case without those pieces of evidence, but it makes things that much harder for them.
So his legal team is also calling for the judge to eliminate the terrorism charge and flat-out dismissal of the case, citing double jeopardy. Manhattan prosecutors said they would respond to all of this in court. A date is set for later next month. Shirley?
And Anthony, all right, so if a judge were to rule prosecutors cannot show the gun or the manifesto to jurors and even his statements, do legal experts think this case is even winnable?
Short answer is yes, but it might lead to lesser charges. There is, of course, that surveillance video we saw earlier of the Midtown murder of CEO Brian Thompson, and what investigators say is evidence of him being in New York City during the time of the murder based on surveillance video where Mangione is allegedly seen.